Hello, and welcome to India Career Centre audio blog, where we explore the ideas shaping our future. Today, we're diving into a topic that's quietly transforming the world around us: data centres. The invisible engines of the AI age, written by S.P. Mishra and read by an automated voice. These massive humming facilities are the backbone of everything digital, from your WhatsApp messages to AI models like ChatGPT. But what exactly is a data center, and why are they suddenly consuming as much electricity as entire cities? Let's start from the basics. What is a data center? A data center is a specialized facility that houses thousands, sometimes millions of servers. These servers store, process, and transmit data 24/7. Whether you're streaming a movie, making a digital payment, or asking an AI a question, the request travels through a data center. Think of it as the brain of the internet. But unlike our brains, these centers need enormous amounts of electricity, cooling, and space to function. What are the basic components? A modern data center includes servers, the core computing units that handle data; storage systems, for saving vast amounts of information; networking equipment, routers, switches, and cables to connect everything; cooling systems, to prevent overheating from high-performance chips; power supply units, including backup generators and batteries; security infrastructure, both physical and digital, to protect sensitive data. These components are arranged in racks, rows, and clusters, often inside buildings the size of football stadiums. Global scale and power consumption. As of 2024, there are over 8,000 data centers worldwide, with more than 5,000 in the US alone. These centers consume a staggering amount of electricity, about 3% of global power usage, and this is expected to double by 2030. In the US, data center electricity use is projected to rise from 176 terawatt-hours in 2023 to 580 terawatt-hours by 2028. That's nearly 12% of total US electricity consumption. To put that in perspective, a single hyperscale data center can consume as much electricity as 800,000 homes annually. That's like powering a mid-sized city just to keep the internet running. Let's make this relatable to an Indian audience. The average Indian household uses about 90 kilowatt-hours per month. A large data center can use millions of kilowatt-hours per day. That's equivalent to the monthly usage of hundreds of thousands of homes, just for one facility. And it's not just electricity. These centers also consume billions of liters of water annually for cooling. Growth path. Next 5 to 10 years. The data center industry is on a rocket trajectory. Globally, the market is expected to grow from $242 billion in 2024 to over $580 billion by 2032. That's a compound annual growth rate of nearly 12%. AI is a major driver. As models become more powerful, they require denser racks, more GPUs, and more cooling. Rack power densities are expected to rise from 40 kilowatts to over 250 kilowatts in the next decade. This means data centers will not only grow in number, but also in complexity and resource intensity. Role of renewable energy. With rising energy demands, sustainability is a top concern. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are investing heavily in renewable energy to power their data centers. Solar and wind farms are being built adjacent to data centers. Green hydrogen and modular nuclear reactors are being explored for future use. Some centers are using waste heat recovery to warm nearby buildings. By 2030, it's estimated that over 60% of data center energy will come from renewable sources. This shift is crucial, not just for climate goals, but for long-term operational costs. Bottlenecks, beyond chips and power. While chips and electricity are major constraints, there are other bottlenecks too. Grid connectivity. In many regions, it takes years to get a high-capacity grid connection. Water scarcity. Cooling systems require vast amounts of water, which is a challenge in drought-prone areas. Land availability. Hyperscale centers need large, secure plots with proximity to fiber networks. Skilled workforce. Operating and maintaining these centers requires specialized talent in electrical engineering, cybersecurity, and AI infrastructure. India's data center boom. Now, let's bring this home. India's data center capacity has grown from 350 megawatts in 2019 to over 1,250 megawatts in 2024, and is projected to reach 825 megawatts by 2027. Why this surge? Digital India pushes, and data localization laws are driving demand. AI adoption across sectors, from banking to education, is accelerating infrastructure needs. Policy incentives like the Data Center Economic Zones, DCEZs, are attracting global investment. Cities like Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Pune are emerging as data center hubs. But challenges remain, especially around power availability, water access, and urban planning. India's unique opportunity lies in building green data centers from the ground up, leveraging solar energy, efficient cooling, and smart grid integration. Final thought: infrastructure, innovation, and opportunity. Data centers are no longer just tech infrastructure. They're national assets. They power economies, enable innovation, and shape digital sovereignty. As India steps into the AI era, understanding and investing in sustainable data infrastructure will be key to unlocking its full potential. But beyond the machines and megawatts, data centers are also creating exciting career pathways. This fast-growing sector is hiring across disciplines, from engineering and IT to sustainability and operations. Here are just a few roles emerging in this space. Data center technicians, hands-on roles maintaining servers and hardware. Network engineers, designing and managing high-speed connectivity. Cooling and power specialists, innovating in energy efficiency and thermal management. Cybersecurity analysts, protecting sensitive data and infrastructure. AI infrastructure architects, building systems optimized for machine learning workloads. Facility managers, overseeing operations, compliance, and uptime. Sustainability officers, driving green energy adoption and water conservation. Project managers and analysts, coordinating large-scale deployments and upgrades. Whether you're a student, a mid-career professional, or a lifelong learner, the data center industry offers secure, high-growth, and future-ready careers. And with India's digital economy booming, the demand for skilled talent in this space is only going to rise. Thanks for tuning in to India Career Center. If you enjoyed listening to the blog post, please subscribe to the channel, please share it with others, and rate us 5 stars. See you soon in the next episode with some insightful thoughts to inspire you in your personal and professional life.